January 4th, 2021, practice continued. So Marcus just drove 324 miles in 6 hours. Find the unit rate. So we're going to find that unit rate of his speed in miles per hour. So we need to find it in 1 hour. So we need to get that denominator be 1. So first of all, 342 miles in 6 hours. I'm going to put 342 miles in 6 hours. Now, what we're going to do is literally transfer this down here. So 342 and 6. So here, remember, this literally means divide. So all we're going to do is divide. So on your scrap piece of paper, 342 divided by, remember the first number is on the inside of our house. It's our dividend. Now our divisor is going to be 6 divided by 6. 6 cannot go into 3, but it can go into 34. I know 6 times 5 is going to be 30. 6 times 6 is 36, so that's too much. So 6 times 5 is 30. Now I'm going to subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now I have that 2 to bring down. So that 2 we can bring down. And 42. How many times can 6 go into 42? I know it can go in 7 times because I know 6 times 7 is 42. And then I'm going to subtract. 42 minus 42 is 0. So our answer here is going to be 57. And we are going to keep that 57 miles. So it's going to be 57 miles per hour. And you can also do that slash hour. So a lot of times, especially on a car, you'll see 57 miles. It'll say mph. That means miles per hour. So if you're in a car, that means miles per hour. So that means how many miles you can drive in 1 hour going at that speed. So that means 57 miles. And you can do a slash. That also means per hour. So per 1 hour. And that's it for our practice continued. Great job.